So I'm Wes, this is finally Studio 22, this is level 2, and here's what we did in level 2. We started, we reviewed a regular width. Lots of ways to teach a level width, a regular width. I'm the only right one. Okay, but that's not true at all. There's lots of, but I teach that if I want the lady to rotate, that I'm going to have some rotation lead that will be across the floor, will be something slight. We're going to start with a sugar push because we're going to prep on the end of that. 4, 5, and 6 up. 1, 2, 3 across down the line. 4, bringing my shoulder back and bring her forward. Turning it down the line, I'm opening up 5, out 6, release 7, and 8. We did that without stopping sugar. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm a big firm believer in tight screwing, that if I move ladies across the body, that she should be rotating her body. She should hold that with soft arms and the right shoulder muscle to make that fluid and smooth and nice and soft. Right? So then we did that out of a rock and go. And so it was 1, 2, 3, stop, 4. I'm going to lay my leverage away because if I bring it to 5, I want to be leveraged before I lead her to 5 because I don't want 5 to 6 to be the head jarring thing moving forward. So she's going to go 5 and 2, 3 and 4, turning 5, 6, 7, and again for the 1, 2, 3, and leverage, 5 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? And then we did it out of a syncopated 1. A little bit different, still the same triple step type rhythm. It's a hold and go instead of step, step, step. It was like a 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then we did that into some crazy movement. Let's over here. We did this. We went 1, 2, 3 and 4, inside turn 5 to waist catch 6, 7, 8. It became lyrical, became very musical here. I'm going to give her a prop. I'm going to go under her arm. She's taking her arm up, not leaving. She's straightening her elbow, her oblique, not mine. And then I'm just giving her a beginning of a rotation that she's going to do with it what she wants, but she will stay connected to me. You're going to have an outside, what I call an outside connection, where she's actually moving into me with foot connection rather than me moving her or moving into her. So for this side, it would be 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and move. The 1. Thank you guys very much. So the lights off. We have what? We have Western Country Western Party this Saturday night. I think Gibbs throwing out, so it ought to be a lot of fun, a lot of good time. So see me if you have any questions. I'm going to kill the lights and turn on the music, and we'll see you next week, I hope.